Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 160, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Hancock, Tennessee, and the following counties: in Virginia, Lee and Wise, and the Virginia independent city of Norton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Martin County, central Morgan County, Johnson County, northwestern Floyd County, Godwin County, until 8 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gordon Ford, or over West Liberty, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Patesville, West Liberty, Prestonsburg, Salyersville, Mason, Lewis, Warfield, Oklahoma Estates, Florence, Divella, Lancer, and Falcon. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Floyd, Johnson, Godwin, Martin, and Morgan. Now for the official National Weather. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Owsley County, southwestern Estill County, northwestern Perry County, Jackson County, northeastern Rockcastle County, southwestern Breathitt County, southwestern Lee County, northern Clay County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Morial, Oregon, 12 miles northwest of McKee, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, McKee, Boonville, Buckhorn, Turin, Travelers Rest, Bummer, Blake, Robinette, South Fork, Cow Creek, and Shop Branch. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Breathitt, Clay, Estill, Jackson, Lee, Owsley, and Perry. Here is a special weather